house has been cleaned, studio's been cleaned, my little shoot area has been cleaned, so I guess we'll just stay home and get creative. Here we go. So I know times are pretty weird right now. We feel trapped. We can't go do the things that we want to do. I think it's important for us to use this time right now in a positive way in a pretty negative scenario. Don't drop the camera. Don't drop the camera. So what I think you should do, find that book that you bought 6 months ago and never read. Use that new lens that you just couldn't figure out how to use it. Now, I did recently buy this and I have been very excited to use it, but between work and friends asking to hang out and my lack of ambition to actually just get started, it hasn't happened. Now's the right time, right? All right, let's start putting stuff down. All right, so now I'm going to film some just beautiful jewelry, and it's handmade from my girlfriend. What's the name of your company, babe?
Blue Skies & Co.
Blue Skies & Co. Link below. Support small businesses. That's pretty much it. Gonna keep pointing, and here is her ring. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, I know those of us following the rules are trying to stay home as much as possible, but that doesn't mean you can't have fun. Let's try to do something new and fun and creative every single day, and by the end of it, you might have learned a new hobby or a new skill. I know I'm gonna try to make more videos. I'm not very consistent at all, so stay tuned for a new video, I don't know, in the next week or so. Peace!